Today I'm going to program or reprogram missing remotes for a 2001 Chevy Tracker. I got this Tracker recently and it did not have a remote with it, and I bought two. And I opened one and I'm going to show you how to program these. I did this once on a 96 Buick, so it works for a few models, but before you try this same method on yours, make sure you check the manufacturer's instructions. All I need is a paper clip, which I found. It took me longer to find the paper clip than it might to program this. You got to find your data port, which is underneath the steering wheel normally. Let me see if I can show it to you here. You know, it's your onboard diagnostics data port. I don't know if you can see it. Let me find it. It's right up there. If you can't see it, most of them are easier than this. Right there, see? Okay, now I'm going to take a picture of it with my phone and show you the steps on the phone here. Hang on. Alright, I took a picture of it. That's what it looks like up there. The wide part is the top. The narrow part is the bottom. We're going to connect number 4 to number 8 with this paper clip. And I'm going to show you here how I'm going to do it. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to connect number 4 to number 8 with this paper clip. I'm going to push them inside, up under the dash. I'm just showing you on my phone because it's easier. I'm going to do that right now, and I'll show you the next step. This is a regular paper clip. I bent it to fit like that. Alright, going up inside. Okay, I connected number 4 to number 8. Hopefully you can see it. If not, I'll take another picture. And when I did that, I heard the doors unlock and lock. But right now, with the wire in there, the jumper, I'm going to close the door. I'm going to turn on the ignition, but not start it. I'm just going to turn it to on position. On. Okay, as soon as I put the jumper in there, I heard the doors lock and unlock. Now I'm going to take the new remotes. I'm going to hold down lock and unlock at the same time. Watch. And it might take about 20 seconds or so. Watch, I'm going to hold down lock and unlock. Oh, that was quick. See? Alright, that's one. Program, did you hear it? Let me open the second one. They have batteries in them already. Okay, we're still in programming mode with the wire in there. Here we go. Second one. Press lock and unlock at the same time. Sometimes it takes 15 or 20 seconds. See that? Okay. Don't forget to remove the paperclip jumper you have up under here. I know you can't see it too good, but yanked it out. See? Now remember, this is different for every car, but this is the same as it was on a 97 Buick. But when you buy these, make sure you get the right one for your car and you get the correct instructions. Okay? But that's pretty easy. Alright, I hope I helped you a little bit. Lock. Lock. And just think, I got this car without a remote. I love it. Alright, talk to you soon. Please subscribe. See ya.